Yeah.
I love Justin Bieber.
Let me see.
Right.
Well, what did you get for?
But what's the present?
Yeah.
And so what's the present?
I don't know.
What would you think the present would be?
What would you think?
What would
You
you
had to
want
guess.
for Justin Bieber?
I wish he was here.
Well,
Well,
what would be
he's
the
not
next
What would
here.
you like for a present?
But what's just as good as him being here?
Nothing.
With his music?
No.
What about?
Nothing at all you can think of that you wanted?
What did you want?
Justin Bieber isn't here.
And or what else?
Nothing.
What if you got to
See him.
see him?
Did you guys give me tickets?
For
Yes.
Justin Bieber?